First, here is our R&D department, and here the person for prepare the spare parts, and here are the sales assistant. This is the second floor, and the purchase department is at that office. Then we go downstairs. We are going to our showroom. Our showroom is dust-free, so we come in here. Here are some customers here for testing the connection machines. And here's another connections. Here will be a rotary die cutting machine. Okay, we can see here they are using the laminating machine. And here will be a gap cutting machine. Okay. Showroom. Now we go outside to other area. Here are some samples, die cut samples inside, and here is company logo. Here will be a slitting rewinding machine, and here will be electrical engineer office. We go together. Now we come in here. Machines. This is for medical machines, medical parts, medical dress, and here for installation. Here the machine is for testing. When machine is finished production, we will run it 24 hours to make sure stable cutting pressure. Here is for installation. Here for rotary, the shelf of rotary installation. And here install the gap cutting machine. A little dark. Here is for install the die cutting machine. And here is the big size gap cutting machine. Maybe this angle is better. And we can see here it's also install the die cutting machine. All these are orders from the same customer. They are the converters of electronic parts. Here are the hosts. We can see. Okay, here is the same machine. You can see I told you that American customer, they ordered many sets. Now we are not sure how many shifts they already bought these orders for them. This, and here is their spare parts. We continue to other area. Now here outside, these are the die cut host for aging treatment. You can see the parts. Make sure stable cutting pressure. We just finished that building. We just finished. And these parts. All these parts for aging treatment. Here is for producing the cases. We are not good here. Cutting. We not go that side. They are cutting. We go for delivery domestic customer machine. And we are coming into our CNC workshop. These are the laser cutting and drilling machines, and here are the CNC parts. All the products are produced for our own using. CNC. Okay, we are go ahead. I don't know how to make the video, but really big. This is the big machine. You can see here are the die cut parts. This is the head. And here are the drilling machines. All these parts for our own using. So now we are going to go outside. We go outside. Here is the warehouse of the spare parts. Very big area, but I'm not going inside. Here is for install the slitting rewinding machine. This is the basis. This is the machine. Slitting rewinding. This machine is with laminating function. Here is for preparing. And these are the rollers. The rollers for pulling the material. Now we are go to the other area. Here is also another warehouse. Go continue. It is to the end. Here is for the mechanical parts, and the electric parts is at the green area. That is the electrical spare parts. Okay, all these from here will be Schneider, Mitsubishi, and some other domestic famous electronic parts. Here is another area. Here is for packaging the parts for domestic customers. Here is for install the roll to sheet cutting machine. Roll to sheet cutting machine for installation. Here are the multi-layer laminating machines, orders for customers. Okay, here are the sheeters. You can see, not so clear. Here are for the sheeter installation. Here are for the laminating installation. Very popular machine. I'm not so high. I show you. All these are orders from customers. Quite a lot, really. So then we will go to the downside. Okay, now we are here. Go to see. Here they are Convertchris are packaging machines for domestic delivery. All here are the machines waiting for packaging. For domestic customer, we will do the packaging by ourselves. Here are the parts for making the box. Here are all these machines. So seems I already show you all about our factories. Then the last thing is about myself. Hello everyone, I'm Chris. Really happy to show you our plant. Thank you very much. Here is for domestic delivery. Every day we send in quite a lot of machines. You can see 2 trucks waiting for delivery and the folks. So let's see outside all this. Okay, I think maybe enough aging treatment parts. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye.